Back to the yeah, back to the crib, man. Say we got a little bit of traffic on our hands today, boys. A little bit of traffic on our hands today, boys. Nothing to be worried about. Nothing to be worried about at all. We're gonna breeze right through it. What kind of bike was that? So yeah, you know, when you get to the light, man, you want your bike right here, man, just in case somebody behind you, you know what I mean, run up to the back, you won't get sandwiched in between cars. See how I'm lined up? You know, and you also want to be right here so those people over in that left lane could see you. You want to be visible at all times. The thing is, always remember this: when you on the bike, you invisible, not invincible. You're invisible. Meaning can't nobody see you, man. They can't see you, man. I'm telling you, they can't see you. Let's see what cuz on. They can't see you, man. So you just gotta ride careful. So you will be A-OK. Ride careful. Ride like they can't see you. So 9 times out of 10, they can't. Sometimes I like to keep it in 5th gear when I'm on the highway, you know. I feel like I get more power to the ground when I'm in 5th gear. When I go to 6th gear, you know, like even though my name's 6th gear Cutloe, when I go to 6th gear, I feel like I don't got so much power to the ground, you know. I don't know exactly what they call that bike term, but I'm not a bike nerd. I'm one of them cats that just get a bike and ride it, man. You know, I'll let the bike nerds put a proper vocab on that. Alright, so I'm in this lane right here. Reason why I'm in this lane, 1, 2, 3. Reason why I'm in this lane, meaning I'm in the fast lane, but I'm in lane 3. So I can be seen by the cars that are in this next lane to my right. I want them to see me when I'm coming up, so they don't cut into my lane. They can't see you if you all the way over here in lane 1. So you want to be right here in lane 3. I think it's lane 3. Correct me if I'm wrong. But you want to be right here. All it takes is a little bit of input on these controls, and the bike will go wherever your eyes go. I did not believe that at first, but it's true. It's almost like real deal flying. If you're flying in the air, you don't necessarily need to look down for controls. You just fly and go wherever the hell you want to go. It's the same thing on the bike. Okay, so right now I'm in lane 2. Reason being is I got a few cars on my right, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not over in lane 1, so they can still kind of see me, you know? But I'm not too close to the hazard on the right. So like this is a good position. I'm kind of far back behind this SUV here because I can't see in front of it. So I don't know if there's an obstacle in front of it or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Because that car can run over it. But a lot of times, shit, you hit something with that bike, Turn a good day into a bad one. Sometimes I ride that middle lane too. Now I call this a pickup and truck. I'm doing a stunnet. This right here called a stunnet. That's 100. You want to pick up and tuck so you ain't taking all that wind breeze. Lane 1, come back to lane 2. Good, good, good. Hold lane 2. Good. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Good. Now I'm gonna merge onto another highway, so let me hop on in this lane. Now I'm doing around, 80 something. It's cooler. That way, I can do my thing, and if somebody want to go faster than me, they can do their thing in the lane to the left of me. I ain't holding nobody. That's another thing you don't want to do. You don't want to be in that fast lane and somebody rushing, because, man, they will get up on your ass. And the slightest mistake and your ass is grass. Alright? So we coming up on the exit in a little bit. Like one of the things I really like to do is I like to get towards the lane I'm about to exit off of early as hell. That way I don't have to make no last minute adjustments that could, be costly. See, I'll make an adjustment right now. I'm in 6th gear. I'm gonna drop down to 5. Drop down to 4. Ride this out. Drop down to 3. Now I'm staying in lane 1 over here just in case one of these cats want to move into this lane. Alright. Drop down to 2. A lot of people, they got the highway videos, but they don't show you how to shift on this highway. You got to be able to shift, baby. So that way, you can do a little bit of engine braking. And when you're in a lower gear, you can pull off faster. Feel that jerk? Yeah, that's that jerk chicken, boy. Yeah. Alright, so as you can see, we got a couple people that's merging over into this lane, like that SUV up there. Now I gotta get over into the lane to the right of me. I'm about to go ahead and do that. Make it easy on myself. So I'm in this lane and we about to merge. Merging is one of the, it's not difficult, but when you're merging, you really got to pay attention. Don't engine brake too much. Use your brakes so your brake light come on. That way the person behind you know you coming to a stop. They won't rear end your ass. Alright, so we making our move. Eyes on the road at all times. Let's pick up a little bit of speed. Stay in 2nd gear. Do I got a car behind me? Yeah, I got a car behind me, if y'all can see it. See him? The good thing about the bikes is the car behind you can see the cars in front of you. So they pretty much can predict what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? Unless you got somebody back there texting or on the phone or doing something retarded. Now we about to merge onto a whole different highway. This can be pretty dangerous. So you gotta watch what you're doing. Turn the signals on, baby. You see this car right here? They're trying to get over in this lane. I can tell by how they're moving. Look always before you switch lanes. Always look. Look. Switch. I'm in third. Let's go to fourth. We in fourth now. Look like we rolling pretty good. We can wrap 4. Alright, we can go up 5. Alright, I'm in 5. Sliding good. I'm in lane 1. You can drink enough to where that shit'll kill you. So just because something is legal doesn't mean you should do it. Alright, I'm in 5th gear now. We riding. And one thing my brother told me was always ride with your brights on. Shit. I've been doing it ever since he told me that. You want to be visible. That's the thing. You just want to be visible. Get your ass out of this lane. See, they about to cause an accident. See that? See that? That was about to be an accident right there. Because they driving slow in this lane. Of course, it's one of the ladies. Ladies, y'all got to talk to each other and hold each other accountable for that type of driving y'all asses be doing out here. So I'm going about 88, man. I'm in lane 3. I'm floating between lane 3 and lane 2. Once again, so these cars can see me. Alright. A little bit of traffic, nothing too bad. Some you can ride with, some you can roll with. Rule number 1, don't panic, don't freak out. Keep your arms loose, and the bike gonna do what it need to do. Check your lanes before you move. Check your lanes before you move. Check your lanes before you move. Alright. So I see this lane right here. I'm Gucci, they hitting the brakes, which is sketchy as hell. Drop down a gear. I'm gonna get behind this car because he ready to ride. I'm right behind you, baby. Let's do it. Drop down 1. Good, I'm in 4. Now I got more control. Now when you drop it down them gears, you want to rev match so you don't lock that back tire up. That's why I learned that rev matching early as hell. Check my videos on that rev matching, man. It's out there. It's up, you know what I'm saying? And when it's up, it's stuck, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get over again. I'm down in 4. Down in 4. They about to merge too. Let them merge. Alright. It's a big ass bump right here. I don't like that big ass bump. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Come off the seat a little bit. Make that bump a little bit easier. You know what I mean? If you're rolling with a good suspension, the suspension will be able to handle it. If not, get a better suspension, big dogs. Get a better suspension, dog nuts. Alright, we up here. So we up here by the battery, y'all. It's the Braves Stadium. Atlanta Braves. What's up with it, Acuna Jr.? Ozzy Albies. Freddie Freeman. What are they doing? That boy Swanson. He getting his run on. I'm out here getting my fun on. Alright, little trail braking coming up. Good, there we go. There we go. Down 1. Alright. Alright, y'all, we back in the money. Like I said, man, follow me on here, comment, like, subscribe, do all that, man. You know what I mean? Show your boy some love. I'm gonna keep these videos coming for all the beginners out there and people that's just getting started with this bike life. Also, when you at these lights, keep your foot on that brake, and then when you see somebody coming up behind you, do this. See that? That's the trigger finger right there, boy. Do that. Light up the brake lights. Constantly got to be on the swivel out here, man. It's for real, you know.